Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo word of the day is going to be seasonal influenza, or the flu. So to say seasonal influenza or the flu, you would say either one of two ways. You can say Ts'ííh Niidóóh, Ts'ííh Niidóóh, which means like the seasonal flu or the flu. Or you can say Atah Honiigááh, Atah Honiigááh, and that's like seasonal flu, both of them. Atah Honiigááh or Ts'ííh Niidóóh. So to use it in a sentence, you can say Ts'ííh Niidóóh bit'ah na adootsihísh nínízin. Ts'ííh Niidóóh bit'ah na adootsihísh nínízin, which means, do you want to get a flu shot? And I'm being very adamant, it is flu season, and as a pharmacist, I recommend that you do get your flu shot to basically prevent the spread of the seasonal influenza and to provide you some immunity for yourself and others. So get your flu shot. And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Ts'ííh Niidóóh, Ts'ííh Niidóóh, or Atah Honiigááh, Atah Honiigááh, seasonal influenza or the flu. All right? Have a nice day.